If it's not already fast enough, we need to make it faster.
Easiest and fastest $2,000 I think I ever spent.
It's fun.
What's up, YouTube? Today we are going to add the acceleration boost to our amazing car. As if it's not already fast enough, we need to make it faster. So I'm going to try and go ahead and capture some 0 to 60 times. That way we can see what it is before we do the boost, so we can see how much are we truly getting. The acceleration boost is $2,000 and you can add it onto the car. Guys, please do me a favor, chuck a like on this video. Make sure to subscribe. We are not monetized at all on this channel, so this $2,000 that we're shelling out to do this video, yeah, it's coming out of our pocket. So please make sure to smash that like button. Now, the acceleration boost, currently the Model Y is supposed to go 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds. The acceleration boost is supposed to take that from 4.8 to 4.2 seconds. I'm pretty excited to feel that. I can tell you 4.8 seconds feels amazing and just like throws you back and you just have a blast. 4.2, oh man, it's gonna be great. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. That felt good. That felt really, really fast. That felt really, really good. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, I just love it. All right, so we got straight up to 60. I'm gonna do one more real quick. I'm gonna turn around and do one more. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, see that felt really good. That was a really good one, and that's an easy spot that I can go back and replicate. All right, guys, now let's head back and let's add on the acceleration boost, and then we're gonna pop back here and see what kind of difference it made. All right, guys, we got our computer here. So in order to purchase the boost upgrade, you have to log into your Tesla account online. You're gonna click buy upgrades. Once you go into your car, it'll show you whatever upgrades you're eligible for. It'll show you right here. So we are eligible to upgrade to the full self-driving for 10,000 or the acceleration boost for 2. We're gonna go ahead, it tells you right here, it's gonna improve your 0 to 60 from 4.8, which is where we should have been from our time trials, to 4.2. So we're gonna go and add that to our cart. Our cart's down here. Man, I can't believe the things we do for a channel video. Guys, please smash that like button and make sure to subscribe. Please, guys, we get no revenue from YouTube yet. We are covering this out of pocket. We're gonna go ahead and do it and see what happens. Place order. Upgrade purchased. Now we're gonna keep an eye on our screen, see what happens here. Our screen just went blank. It's updating the acceleration boost. Easiest and fastest $2,000 I think I ever spent. All right, guys, we are rebooting back up. Oh, the AC just kicked on. There's the Tesla logo. We're booting back up. All right, here we go. We got the screen functioning. Let's see what shows up. Go into our car, go to our details. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Model Y long range, there's our info. Acceleration boost included in the package. We are all set now, guys. We have that acceleration boost. Let's head back to the streets and test it out and see if we can feel the difference. All right, guys, we are on our way back, heading back to the spot to do our time trial test. We picked up a passenger this time, though. What's up, Mace? Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, yeah. Anything you want to say to everybody, Mace?
It's gonna be a good time.
It's gonna be a good time, that's right. So we're heading back to the spot to do our 0 to 60 time trial and see if we can come in at that 4.2 seconds. All right, guys, we're getting ready to do our first run. You ready back there, Mace?
Yep.
All right, let's come to a stop. Same exact spot as before. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Holy smokes. So, I don't know what that time is going to come back at, but I can tell you, it definitely felt faster. What did you think?
Yeah, it felt faster.
Holy smokes, that was awesome. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! It definitely just has a little bit more of a kick. It just kind of throws you back more. Wow. That's a lot of fun. What do you think?
It's fun.
Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Woo! Wow. That just, I do feel like we get there faster. I really do. I know it's only like half a second difference, but I just feel like, I don't know how to explain it. I feel like it throws you that much further back and you just feel more pressure against your body, especially once it gets to like 25 miles an hour. I feel like it really pins you back until you get there and you just see it climb really, really fast. I gotta tell you guys, it's a good time driving that. We'll see when we throw a clock on it exactly how much faster it came up, but it does feel a good bit faster. One thing I do want to mention about the fact that I had Mason in the car when we did the post-boost runs, we were doing everything in a very safe area. There was nobody anywhere near the street. There wasn't any cars on the road, any pedestrians, anything anywhere. And it really is kind of like a private road. All right, guys, so it's been about 2 weeks since we upgraded to the boost on the Tesla. And I got to tell you guys, it has just been amazing over these 2 weeks. It really is noticeable when you step on it. It just throws you back that much faster. Before we updated and added the acceleration boost on the 3 time trials we did, on our first run, 4.96 seconds, 0 to 60. On the second run, it was 5.07 seconds. And on the third run, we got 4.57 seconds. So that third run actually came in a little bit faster than it was even supposed to at 4.8 seconds. So averaging the first 3 runs, that comes in at 4.86 seconds. So after we added the acceleration boost, on the first run, it came in at 4.24 seconds. The second run came in at 4.42 seconds, and the third run came in at 4.24 seconds. So these runs came in just right around where it's supposed to. It's supposed to come in at 4.2, and they came in right around that. Now, the average after we added the acceleration boost to the Tesla, our average was 4.30 seconds. So actually 0.1 seconds slower on average than what we're supposed to get. But it still felt good. And between the two, it's still pretty much about a half a second faster, which is exactly what we're supposed to be getting. So the big question is the acceleration boost worth it? It's $2,000. So it really depends on your finances. If the $2,000 isn't an expendable amount of money for you, then honestly, I wouldn't do it. 4.8, 0 to 60 is plenty fast. You're gonna beat the majority of the cars on the road that you see. But if you have the extra $2,000 and you wanna make your car faster, then yeah, I mean, if you have it, I think it's worth it because it was a lot of fun. So is it worth it? If you have the money to spend on it, I do think it's worth it. It is a lot of fun. You can feel the difference. If you don't, you're gonna be just fine blowing past many cars at 4.8. So I hope this video helps you guys. It's been a whole lot of fun putting this thing together. I also got a teaser for you guys here. Check that out. That is a 2019 Hellcat. That thing puts out 717 horsepower. We're gonna put it up against our Model Y in a video coming soon. Whether you're a fan of ICE cars or not, this thing is absolutely amazing and sexy in every way. This is an amazing car. Thanks as always, guys. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been giving this channel. I love being able to interact with you guys in the comment section. Thank you so much. Please keep them coming. If you have any ideas about future episodes, anything you'd like to see, please make sure to share them in the comments below. Also, please let us know how you feel about that family vlog that we just posted. What do you guys think? Would you like to see more videos of our family's antics and how we put the Tesla to real life use? Thank you so much as always, guys. Please make sure to smash smash that like button. It really helps. We're getting close to being able to monetize. Make sure to subscribe if you're new or if you haven't subscribed yet. If you were watching this video and you watched others and you haven't hit it yet, click that subscribe button. Please, go ahead, do it. And as always, guys, make sure if you're in the market for a Tesla, you get your free 1,000 supercharger miles. Hit up a friend, a family member, a neighbor, somebody you know that has a Tesla. If you don't know anybody that has a Tesla, you're more than welcome to use ours. It's in the description below. That'll get you 1,000 free supercharger miles. It'll also get us 1,000 free supercharger miles, which we'll put to use on a road trip for you guys. Thank you so much, as always, for watching, guys, and we'll see you in another one.